There's a word that's one of my favorite words in Easton University, and these folks that are on the lives all the time have heard me say this a lot. The word that brings people to your rescue, that lines them up behind you, that gets them to take up arms and save you is embarrassed. If you say you're upset, he's going to take the side of his company. If you say this is wrong, they're going to in the fight. But if you call whoever that individual is and go, hey, man, I was thinking about something last night. I'm kind of embarrassed on something. Could you give me a call? Right? Just throw out the, Lena, I'm embarrassed on something. Can you give me a call, Lena? Hey, yo, what's up? Right? Yeah, so I've had a couple of, and the last thing I want to do is get you involved, but I'm kind of embarrassed here because I've had a couple discussions with the procurement department, and clearly I was like less than skillful when we were doing the SOW or something here, and I have not communicated very well the conversations that you and I have had to procure, and I own that. Like, I wanted to raise my hand and be like, I own that, but clearly like they're off on a totally different track, a totally different feel than when you and I were talking. And when you and I were talking, I feel like we really had the project in mind here, and that's why I priced it out the way that I did, and that's why I was being, this wasn't something where it's like, let's try and throw over as high of a price as we can and see what we can get approved. And frankly, like, I'm embarrassed now because I'm having discussions with procurement and somehow I've represented this like I put a bunch of extra stuff in there knowing that some was going to get, and like that's not even the way I operate. And I like literally was up last night like I feel this is not how I do business, and like I feel like I somehow communicated this thing poorly. Lena, what are some of your thoughts? And then Lena's going to be like, oh God, is it Greg that you're talking to? Done. Right? Yeah, it is. Why? Greg's new. Okay? Here's what I want you to... I just had this exact conversation a week ago. By the way, the person's name was Greg. Greg's new. Give me 3 days. Sit tight. Sit tight. Give me 3 days. Right now, all of a sudden, Lena's like, down to Greg. Greg, I appreciate what you're doing. You are a valuable asset to this company. Okay? I'm good on this one, Greg. Like... let the adults play here, Greg. See you later. Bye. And then all of a sudden it's like she's coming to your defense because you were like, I'm embarrassed. I somehow communicated, right? And then they'll pick up and run with it. Worst case, she's like, I don't know. It's our procurement, right? We got to deal with them. Well, like, do you have any thoughts on strategy on this? Because I'm at a point here, like the way I scope this out, you know, you've had the price for 3 weeks. What's changed? Has anything changed? I just want to make sure I'm crystal clear. The last thing I want to do is represent this project differently to procurement. Has anything changed, Lena, since you and I last spoke? No. It's a fact it's gotten worse, right? Like, and now you're at least collaboratively trying to solve the problem that is procurement. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.